Well, now I cleaned everything which I was able to clean with my angle grinder. And petrol is important because there was a hollow section box which I must take out because of the by the welding these parts it can catch the fire. So I removed everything with the petrol and angle grinder, cleaned the surfaces surrounding the hole. I will try to hold my camera precisely, and you can see that there is no rust remaining. Maybe there, up there, but it is not important, I think. So everything around is cleaned with angle grinder, and now I will, as a first thing, I will try to weld here the long sheet metal from here to here, and there will be another sheet metal thicker, maybe 2 or 3 millimeters thick, and will be placed like this. This will be welding points, and will be connected to these metal, I don't know in English, with this metal connection. And also you can see in the hollow section of the car, it is untouched by the rust. It's only a box protection. So this hardened part is untouched, which is good. And now I'm sorry, I have some dirty lens maybe on my camera, and now I will slowly weld these parts back. Floor is untouched with the rust. Rust is only here. This is untouched, so I can connect or weld metal right in here into this gap and take a putty on it. So this was cleaning process. There is all the stuff. So now I will try to shape some metal and measure the gaps and other things and do this job till the end of the day. Yesterday I was doing this. There was a big rusty hole. This is only this is not a problem. This is the body, or I don't know exact term for this. It is soft, and this will hold the water outside of the hollow section of the car. Also this it was needed to do because of the stone, chips or other things. This was rusty. So I will try to do a little bit more today.